Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Pauline, and today you clicked this video because you wanted to know about Fenty, darling, Fenty. So our girl Ree, she did it again, and she launched some new products. I think what everybody's been talking about mostly is the bronzers, and also she launched some kilowatt highlighters as well. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on it. So let me start off by saying that bronzers are not contour powders, okay? So if you have that misconception, I'm here to tell you you're wrong. No, it's a popular misconception, but bronzers are meant to make you sun-kissed, and sometimes they have shimmers. You can have a matte bronzer, or you can have a shimmery blonde. Oh wow, okay, a shimmery what? Oh my god, what's going on? A shimmery bronzer. Jeez. Lord, it's the end of the day. Maybe that's why. I don't, wow, English. Anyways, you can have a matte bronzer or the other one. And so, but these ones by Fenty, they are matte. So I picked up, first of all, okay, ignore, it's kind of dirty, but first of all, wow. This is the bronzer that I feel like, ooh, come back. This is the bronzer that I feel like is closest to my match. So this one is called Mocha Mami. Mocha Mami. I feel like I should change my Instagram name to Mocha Mami. Like, that's such a good Insta name. Or Coco Mami. Coco Mami. Coco. Should I change my Instagram name to Coco Mami? Like, comment below. Honestly, I'm dead ass serious. Like, let me know. Like, that's such a good name. Anyways, this is Coco Mami, sorry, Mocha Mami, and the one before this is Coco Naughty, like naughty.
I'll take that as naughty. Naughty.
But I swatched Coco Naughty, and that was my exact skin tone, and so I was like, well, Mocha Mami it is. And so yeah, I have this kind of angled fluffy brush. I sometimes use it for contour or for blush, so I'm gonna use it for bronzer. So with bronzer, you want to apply a lot. Yeah, it's kind of like a tricky one, because you'll tend to want to apply it like contour and apply it, you know, under your cheeks where you put your contour, but this is supposed to go kind of on your cheeks, on the high points of your face. So one good trick is the E3 trick to do your bronzer. So I'm gonna stop talking and just apply some to my forehead first. So you want to really blend this in, because and start off light, start off small, and then build up the coverage. And you want to start off kind of light with it, and then build it up as, wow, okay, and then build it up as you go along. So as you can see, I did the first half of the 3, so I'm brushing it on. I really love what Rihanna is doing, by the way. Like, I think it's just so cool, because literally, I kid you not, 2 weeks ago, I wanted to live the bronzer life, because I was like, oh, this is my watch, by the way. Oh, it's about time for summer. Summer's coming. So I was like, I want to look bronzed and sun-kissed, and I got this idea from watching someone who's much lighter than my skin tone, and she was putting bronzer on, and I was like, yeah, I want to live that life. And I went into Sephora, coinky dink, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna start doing the other side of my face, but let me just show you guys bronzed, not bronzed. Which side do you like better? Okay, I kind of like this. Wow. Okay. Like honest opinions, guys. Like which side do you like better? Okay. Let me continue with my story. So, okay, I went into Sephora to get a bronzer, and this lady was helping me, and she was like, "Oh, sure. Like let's go look around." And we go to different places. She definitely stopped by Benefit because, you know, Benefit has the Hoola bronzers and all that stuff. I think their darkest shade was Toasty or Toasted or something like that. And it was my exact skin tone. And I'm looking at her like, girl, this ain't gonna work. Like, what are we doing here? And she was just like, sorry, I'm really sorry, but you know, sorry, we just don't have your skin tone. I was like, all right. I mean, it's not her fault, but I was just like, for real, I don't know. It felt a little like disappointing. Like I was like, I left there like, I'm trying to give you guys my money, okay? And you're really gonna be telling me sorry? If if you live in Canada, then you know why I'm saying sorry like that. But that's dead ass how she was saying it, and it really stuck with me. Anyways, so I was just kind of like, yeah, well, this ain't gonna work. And I left feeling kind of disappointed, like I said. And I was like, that's when, like, one of the most profound moments where it really hit me like, damn, like, brands don't really care about, you know, chocolate girls like that sometimes, you know? They're just like, just be having one or two bronzers. Like, Benefit even tried, like, that last bronzer, the last color would have worked for a girl probably a little bit lighter than me, but most of the other brands, I'm gonna put like whatever's left on the brush. I didn't pick up anything else. I'm gonna put that like just right on my nose, and then here. But yeah, so it was kind of disappointing actually, and it was, I wouldn't go as far as saying it was embarrassing. That's, embarrassing is too strong of a word, but it was like a diluted version of embarrassing to like walk literally around Sephora with her, and then we were just swatching, and each time her face was just like like literally feeling so bad for me. And then in the end she was just like, oh, and then she just suggested that I use a powder that's darker than my skin tone. And I'm like, yeah, but I want it to say bronzer. I don't know if that's like petty, but I don't know. I just wanted it to say bronzer. Anyways, what y'all think? I think it adds definitely a lot of warmth on my face, which I wasn't sure that I would like, to be honest. I already have warm undertones, so I was like, do I want to look even warmer? I don't know. But I like it. I really do. I'm actually really surprised that I like it this much. I'm actually really surprised. So, but you guys, let me know what you think. So anyways, we've tried Mocha Mami. Now we're gonna do the Killawatt Foil highlighter. And oh, let me tell you what this is the Sunstalker Warmth Bronzer, by the way. That's the full name of the bronzer. Let me just read what they say about this bronzer. It's an instant sun-soaked glow that lasts, blendable, buildable, transfer resistant. That's their claims. And then for the highlighter, it's the Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's a hyper metallic finish, endless darlings ways to glow. For cheeks, eyes, or anywhere you want to glow. Ooh, saucy. But I don't know, damn, I'm kind of feeling myself with this thing. Okay. So let's get into the highlighter. I'm gonna use my Real Techniques setting brush, whatever. So, this is what the highlighter looks like, by the way. Oof, wow, I love this bronzer.
Oh my God!
Wow!
I love it. Okay. This one is, I think it's the darkest one that she released. Okay. Penny for you thoughts. Rihanna was not playing with these names, honestly. They're so fun. I like the names a lot. Okay, so I'm applying the highlighter. It's cool. It's cool. Like, you can barely see it. I think it goes well with the bronzer because they're both like the same kind of shade, and then the bronzer, sorry, the highlighter just adds that extra oomph, you know, and makes it a little bit shimmery because the bronzer is matte. Yeah, so in that way it's kind of cool. I'll put like a little bit here because that's a high point on my face, and then I'll put some here. To be honest, I don't feel like it's really showing up like that, but it is what it is. Maybe I'll put some here. I'm not as gassed as I was about the bronzer. It's not giving me that like punch that her other highlighters give. I don't know, maybe this is more of a, you know, muted highlighter that she was trying to go for. But I personally like Penny for you thoughts. The name is great, but I think it's a no for me. I think it's a no. But the bronzer, I love the bronzer. I didn't realize that I would like this like glow, well, you know, like a glowy bronzed look. I never realized that that would be my thing, but Riri taught me. Yeah. Riri taught me. She taught me good. Yeah, no, I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. I had so much fun filming this. I really just, there's been so much hype about this. I wanted to try it out for myself and also share my thoughts with you guys. I hope this video, wait, let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so you can see more. But I hope this video helped you to decide if you wanted to get the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer or not, and also helped you with seeing how the Penny for your thoughts Killawatt will do on your skin tone or just in general. So yeah, that's the video today for you guys. Again, let me know your thoughts, and also I would love for you guys to let me know what other videos you like to see from me. I'm really enjoying this talking style as well as opposed to my voiceovers, but I think I will still keep doing both. Let me know which one you guys like better. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will put my previous video over here, darling. Yes, tap her, just tap her. Okay, anyways, bye loves. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.